Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mzansi Vibes, your world of entertainment and everything. Thank you so much for joining us here. Please kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends before you're gonna get to the end. Please, guys. Thank you so much. I can see those subscription numbers going up already. I love you guys. I love you. You are the best. Thank you so much for joining us here. So today we've got something very short and very special. So today I've got for you a list of the 10 things said by losers. This is a very precious list to a young man named John Ghatti, the man behind PWR Nasdaq, which was voted the best Forex robot trade in Africa for the year 2020. Please continue to watch for your own benefit. So at number 1, I'll start Monday. And number 2, it's not my fault. They also love to say, I can't do it. They also love to say, it's not fair. They also love to say, I don't have time. And you know what else losers love to say? They feel offended. They say, I'm offended. They also love to say, you suck. Losers also love to say, you got lucky. Losers also love to say, what? They are always tired. They're not doing anything. They just want to rest, particularly on weekends. Losers also love to say what? Easy for you to say, because they don't want to be challenged in their minds, in their own worlds. They just want to enjoy their comfort zones, you know. So guys, please let me know what you think about this 10 things said by losers precious list compiled by John Ghatti, the one and only developer of PWR Nasdaq. And also, let us know if you think some of the things that you've been saying or doing, they might be falling within the 10 things said by losers. And if so, what are you going to do about it to change that? I would really love to hear your awesome opinions about this matter, because I believe you guys are geniuses and I love you all. I just want to hear your thoughts on this one, and thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Holla me in the comment section and let me know what are the 10 things or some of the things that you love from this list. And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, please like the video and subscribe to Mzansi Vibes, your world of entertainment.